This is a 1954 Bentley R Type. What's amazing about this car is that it's completely identical to the Rolls-Royce Silver Dawn, and that's because Rolls bought Bentley in the early 1930s because they went into administration. And the difference between this and a Silver Dawn is this has got 2 carburettors, whereas the Rolls Silver Dawn had 1 carburettor. And that's because Bentley wanted to keep to their sporting heritage. And you can see it is an absolutely beautiful car. Come and have a look around. What I love about this car is I love the raised, sort of semi-razor edge back it's got on it. This beautiful line. It's also got an incredibly big boot. Show you the size of it. You'll have a good look. It's a bit of a mess because we've got our picnic blankets in there from last summer, but we'll be ready for this summer, that's for sure. Now let me just take you around to the front of the car. This is a 4.5 litre engine. It was called a big bore. Previous prominent owners of this make and model would have been Aristotle Onassis, married to Jackie O, and also Lawrence Rockefeller, the philanthropist. Now let me show you these amazing doors. These are called suicide doors as they open this way. But what I love about it is the red leather interior. It is absolutely stunning. As my dad always says, it's like driving around in your front room, but we don't have red leather sofas in our front room, so I don't know where he's got that from. But I think what he means is it's really, really comfy. It's incredibly enjoyable. It's also, believe it or not, an automatic, so it's very, very easy to drive. Let me just show you the back of the car. So you've got this beautiful lining, once again, the red leather. As we go in, these are called little picnic tables, so you can sit in the back, excuse me, and it flips up like that. How decadent and beautiful is that? Also, what we've got here is that my sister managed to find it for Father's Day. It is a original Bentley's grooming kit for gentlemen. No surprise he hasn't used it, but we're going to show you what's inside. It's got everything. It's got the mirror, the scissors, the brush. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So we keep it in the car at all times in case Dad wants a bit of a glow up. What I love about this Bentley is the mascot. They would have called this the Flying Bee, hence the B for Bentley and the wings. But she's very, 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 very pretty.